Hey guys, do you want to know what's a computer? Computer is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out sequences of arithmetic and logical operations. Modern digital electronic computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs, which enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks. A computer is a programmable electronic device that processes data, storing, retrieving, and manipulating information based on instructions, that is, programs. It can perform a variety of tasks, from basic calculations to complex operations, and comes in many forms, from smartphones to supercomputers. Here's a more detailed explanation. Input, processing, and output. Computers receive data as input, process it according to instructions. That instruction is a program, and then output the result. Storage, they have the ability to store data both temporarily in memory, that is RAM, which is random access memory, and permanently on storage devices. It is also programmability. Computers can be programmed to perform different tasks, making them versatile and adaptable. Computers also have hardware and software. A computer system consists of both hardware and software. Hardware are those physical components like the CPU, memory, storage, and input-output devices. Software are those programs and instructions that tell the hardware what to do. There are different types of computers. Computers exist in various forms, including personal computers. Those personal computers are those desktops and laptops, smartphones, servers, and supercomputers, each designed to different purposes and scales of operation. We have also the binary system. The binary system are most computers using binary system, zeros and ones, to represent and process data. Examples of this are computers are used for tasks like typing documents, sending emails, playing games, browsing the internet, creating presentations, and more. That's all for now. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I can explain it to you further. Thank you for watching this video. God bless everybody.